your chance to join in with the Disneyland band, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and all of their pals. As we march our way down the street together to Town Square, it is going to be bunches of fun. But folks, you know, this is the deal. Mickey and Minnie, they think that we should practice marching here in place before we get onto the street together. Excellent ideas. This is what we need you all to do. Dance, but it's also like we need to sneak up your left foot. So that when we practice marching, we're turning our left foot on the left. Ready, stand up, repeat. All right, let's practice then.
Hi, friends. Let me see you all. You're gonna have to show us out. Come on now, Goofy. All right, there we go, Goofy. I like what I see. Give it a little bit of extra. All right, Goofy's ready to go. We're all ready to go. The band is gonna line up. Mickey and his pals are gonna line up, and we are gonna